pumasok ako na hindi na pwedeng wala tayong uuwi. Laban pa. Patapos na.
At sa aking kapamilya big winner, maraming beses mo ipinakita ang iyong malaking puso para sa iba.
Opportunity sa atin itself na pamamahin nyo para sa inyo.
Kaya posible po mapapagpag sa akin, mas bad si Ate lang.
Pamilya namin yan. We're going to do anything for family.
Pero sana, natuto kang mas patunayan pa ang iyong sarili at ilaban ang iyong mga pangarap.
Sa puso yung panaman, anything is possible!
Ito ang Pinoy Big
Nawa ay bigbitin ninyo ang lahat ng aral at karanasan mula dito sa ating bayan. Asahan niyong patuloy kong aabangan ang mas malalaking kaganapan sa inyong buhay sa outside world. At naniniwala akong ngayon na ang takdang panahon para mas maglingling pa ang inyong mga bituin, aking kapamilya Big Four.
Alright, President Media, palakpakan po natin ang ating kapamilya, Big Four! Grabe, congratulations again, guys. And feel ko, medyo mainit na ulit dito, di ba, sa ating media room. Kaya, painitin pa natin ulit with our questions from the media. So now let's open our Q&A floor, or Q&A portion for our Big Four. So to kick things off, of course, we have here questions from Charmy Joy Pabulong of Philippine Star. First up for Brent. Okay. Brent, what is something about you that most people don't know?
Siguro yung sa pagsaling po ng PBB, para sa akin ito na yung last straw ko for showbiz. Like, if hindi po nag-work sa akin itong PBB, siguro mag-quit na ako. Since yung nakita-rejections din po kasi yung experience ko, and may time na hindi na ako naniniwala na it was ever possible for me to really make it big in showbiz. Kaya yun.
Grabe, no? It's so interesting kasi parang I feel like a lot of people who are at their last straws, biglang nagpo-boom yung career, just like Brent. Kaya congratulations. Big winner of our collab. Thank you so much. Ito naman, our next question is for Isnir. Okay, Isnir, what is the greatest lesson that you've learned from your PBB journey?
First of all, hello po sa mga media po natin. Maraming salamat po sa effort at sa time na pagpunta po. Siguro greatest lesson is mas naging appreciative ako dito sa bahay ni Kuya. Lalo na po sa mas naging thankful po ako sa mga little things like dito sa bahay ni Kuya, limited kami sa pagkain. Tapos minsan feel namin kulang kami sa tulog, ganyan. So, mas na-appreciate ko po yung family po namin dito kasi sila po yung naging kasama ko sa outside world. Sila po yung naging kasama ko dito sa buong journey ko po dito. Yes. Kaya, ayun, na-appreciate ko yung mga kahit ano lang, kahit saging, kahit itlog, na-appreciate ko at na-appreciate ko na katabi ko sa pagtulog si Crush. Ay, charing na. Pero, ayun, I am so grateful sa mga things and love.
Thank you so much, Esmir. Grabe no, yung ginagawa ng PBB talaga. Diba? You're appreciative of the small things, you become present, kahit walang phone and everything, relationship. Kaya thank you so much, Esmir. And thank you as well to Charmy Joy of Philippine Star. Okay, ngayon naman, we would like to call on Juno Reyes of Rapper. Hi, Juno.
So, first for Brent, so have you seen the edits na lagi ka lang sa selos kapag may malapit na malapit?
Actually, kanina lang na-mention sa akin yan. Hindi ko nga alam yun eh. Wala ka ganun. Siguro, ewan, hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko masagot kasi hindi pa talaga ako idea kung anong ginagawa. Ano bang ginagawa ka doon sa clips? Paano ba?
Nag-walk out ata.
Sinabi mo?
Oo.
Ay, lagi naman sabi ko.
And then, this question is for Ralph. So, in 2024, you starred in Zoomers and then high school. And after your PBBs, eventually you'll book more roles very soon. So, how did your time in the PBB house help you improve your craft of what happened?
Well, my stay in the PBB house, grabe talaga yung naging emotional journey ko dito. And I think as an actor, it's very important to keep in touch with your emotions. And grabe, minsan sinasabi ko na nga talaga na dito ko lang talaga yung nararamdaman yung ibang emotions, like very new to me. So the fact that I'm able to feel those feelings, I'm able to process those things with the people around me, I feel like that's gonna make me even a better actor.
Thank you so much, Ms. Juna Reyes from Rappler. Okay, ngayon naman, we have questions from John Bueno of Macau.com. Okay, for Brent. Okay, Brent, there were reports that you did not accept the prize from PBB and delegated it for charity. Is there truth to that? And can you tell us why you did it?
Actually, hindi pa namin siya talaga na gagawa since wala pa naman sa amin. But it came about when we had a task before na yung magiging winner would be able to give 150,000 to the children charity. But then, we lost. So yung promise namin ni Megan, paglabas na paglabas, bibigyan namin, kami na mag-aabot ng 150,000 na yun. But since we became big winners, na hindi naman din namin expect, na yung ipapamahagi namin sa
Keeping the promise. I love it. Thank you so much, Brent. Okay, ngayon naman, for Ralph. When you got out of the house, did you see a lot of netizens? Or did you see that a lot of netizens were fantasizing about you? Yes. How comfortable are you with your skin? And if a project requires you to show your skin, would you be okay with it?
Well, about that, actually, yes, nakita ko yung mga edits, yung mga posts about siguro my body and the bodies of the other housemates. And I think we all can take it with a grain of salt. Syempre, there are boundaries to everything. And as long as it's done with respect, syempre, I appreciate it also. With regards to the projects naman, you know, if it's a good project, if it's something that I really want to do and it requires also for me to show some skin, then why not?
Ready for mature roles.
Ready.
I love it, bongga. Thank you so much, Ralph. Okay, ito naman, for a sneer. Okay. A lot of people were rooting for you and were actually expecting you to win since the very beginning. Did you feel the same way, or were you, when you were announced as runner-up, did you feel bad about it?
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nagro-root po sa akin, huwag kayo mag-alala, paparot kanan to kayo lahat. Charing. Maraming salamat po, of course. Super happy na may mga taong nagmamahal sa akin at naniniwala po sa amin ni Charlie na may panalo po namin yung big winner. Actually, ako din, yun din yung nilalaban ko talaga ever since. I've been vocal about it since day 1, day 2 dito sa bahay. Pero nung nakuha po namin yung third place, day by day, mas natatanggap ko siya at day by day, mas na-realize ko na it's not a loss for me. Na in fact, it's a bonus na lang din sa amin na may isang LGBTQIA+ community na nagre-represent sa aming community na nakaabot ng Big Four, and it's already a big thing for me. And also, siguro, mas yung goal ko talaga dito is mag-share ng story ko, maging voice sa mga breadwinner, lalo na yung issue ko dito about my father, ganyan. So, feeling ko dun pa lang is panalo na talaga. At siguro din na-realize ko na yung pinakapulot ko talaga dito is hindi mo lahat makukuha, like even the top spot hindi mo makukuha, pero may makukuha kang mas more valuable dito. At ito yung growth, ito yung character namin, at of course, the story na share namin sa tao. So, yes. Thank y'all, and I'm super excited na I will step into my new chapter with so much love around me, at lalo na sa mga tao dyan. Maraming salamat, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakita nyo sa akin, pero I will try to not make you disappoint. Yes, love y'all.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Guys, mag-ingay naman tayo para sa mga LGBTQ.
Yes!
Mabuhay ang mga bakla!
Mabuhay ang mga bakla!
Exactly. Thank you so much, Esnir. And thank you as well to John Bueno of Macau.com. Okay, ito naman, we would like to call on Roldan Castro of Abante tonight. Showbiz Police. Okay. Ako pa lang magbabasa ng questions. Okay, for River. Okay, River, may mga messages or comments ka bang nabasa paglabas ng bahay ni Kuya na masasabi mo nagmarka sa'yo in a positive and negative way?
Actually, paglabas namin, I haven't had time really to scroll through social media. Sobrang busy namin the past few days. Nag-online na ako para mag-post usually. Pero may nakita na ako mga posts rin doon. Negatively, wala masyado. It was more of love and support. Pero nagulat talaga ako sa mga edits doon sa mga TikTok. Nagulat ako na trending pala ngayon ang gray pants. Yun lang. More of natutuwa lang ako sa lahat ng mga evidence at mga na-clip sa buong journey namin dito.
Yung mga Daddy's home.
Kasabay.
Oo, diba? Sa Marillion Home. Thank you so much, River. Okay, ito naman, Esnir. Esnir, paano binago ng PBB ang buhay mo nung nasa outside world ka na?
Wow! Sobrang binago niya talaga, like 360. Ganon yung pagbago ng buhay namin. Of course, mas nag-open yung mga doors for opportunities para sa akin at para sa pamilya ko. At the same time, nung pumasok ako dito, parang wala pa akong strength talaga masyado. At nung paglabas ko, masasabi ko na strong na ako since napagdaanan na namin dito sa bahay yung mga iba't ibang hamon ni Kuya. Kaya marunong na akong tumanggap ng mga criticism at the same time mga mga love from the people. Kaya ayun, yun po siguro yung financially, sana. Pero yes, I think naman makakatulong naman siya. I'm really, really grateful na naging parte po ako ng show na to, ng PBB journey na to. Kasi hindi ko na talaga alam anong plano ko kung wala to. Kaya super happy po ako sa mga nangyayari sa buhay na yan. At sana walang mag-evil eye.
Yes! Thank you so much, Esnir. Marami ng projects na kumakatot. Feel ko.
Stay, lang.
Okay.
Kevin.
Thank you so much, Esnir. Okay, ito naman for Ralph. Okay, ngayong lumabas ka na sa PBB House, are you still in touch with AC? And kumusta na kayo?
Oh, yes. Actually, kanina magkasama lang kami with all the other housemates. And yes, we still keep in touch. We were able to catch up a few times. And syempre, there's still a lot more to debrief about. There's still a lot more to talk about. And syempre, we're just enjoying each other's company.
Thanks so much, Ralph. Okay, last but not least for Brent. Okay, Brent, isa ka sa tilian sa recent MMFF launching. Ano ang feeling mo para sa mainit na pagtanggap ng mga tao sa iyo ngayon? Meron po ang pagkaiba kumpara noon?
Grabe yung experience niya, parang fever din ko na rin. I didn't expect na ganun marami yung show off din para sa amin lahat. Kasi before pag nag-show off, siguro may ilan na siguro 20 people show up, but now I think hindi ko mabilang, hundreds talaga, if not thousands of people showed up for us. Kaya hopefully, di matapos yung ganong pakiramdam na I'm always gonna be grateful every time na it happens. But I'm sure yung love na nabigay na sa amin, susukuyan ko talaga yun. Hindi ako titigil ng trabaho ng mabuti. Mas magiging mabait pa ako, mas magiging humble.
Thank you so much, Brent. And